Hello friends, hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to discuss one of my case study related to the real estate business in United States. So in United States, some of the specific states, the real estate business is very expensive for getting the leads or messages on over main campaigns. If you are not doing anything organically, so the cost per lead might be very high or the quality of leads are not good. So we have created a strategy for this account that they will post consistently on their Instagram account and Facebook profile, and then we started running these campaigns. So in this one here, you can see we were also running the campaigns for driving the people to Instagram account, and we have got 37 Instagram profile visits during the month of October 2025, and these are the number of the leads or the messages that we are getting on our specifically Instagram DMs. And you can see we have got 34 messages this during this time period, and the cost per message or the lead that we are getting is about $19.50.